Curriculum and curriculum determinants. Introduction. Curriculum is derived from the word curry, which means run. Thus, curriculum is a runway for attaining the goal of education. Thus, curriculum means a course to be run for teaching a goal or destination. Curriculum may be considered as a blueprint of education or program. It is the base of education on which the teaching learning process planned, implemented. Curriculum is the formation and implementation of educational proposals to be taught and learned within a school or other institution and other institution, and for what that institution accepts responsibility at three levels: its rational, its actual implementation, and its effects. Curriculum is the foundation of the teaching learning process. The development of the programs of study, learning, and teaching resources, lesson plans, and assessment of students, and even teacher education are all based on the curriculum. The dictionary means of the word curriculum is a course, especially the course of study at a university. Curriculum is that which is taught in schools, a set of subjects, content, a course of study, a set of performance, objectives, everything that goes on within the school, including extra classes activities, guidance, and interpersonal relationships, ever that is planned by school faculty, as the total learning experiences which the student having out of learning institution under the guidance of faculty. Definitions of curriculum. According to Pratt in 1980, defines curriculum as a written document that systematically describes goals, planned objectives, content, learning activities, evaluation procedures, and so forth. According to Kerr 1968, curriculum is all the learning which is planned and guided by the school, whether it is carried on in groups or individually inside or outside the school. According to Abbott's A and Abbott's E, curriculum is the sum total of student activities which the school sponsors for the purpose of achieving its objectives. According to Florence Nightingale International Foundation, a curriculum is a systematic arrangement of some total of selected experiences planned by school for a defined group of students to attain the aims of a particular educational program. According to Cunningham, curriculum is the tool in the hands of an artist to mold his material according to his ideals in his studio. In this definition, artist is the teacher, material is the student, ideals are the objectives, and studio is the educational institution. Determinants of curriculum. There are 7 determinants are there in the curriculum. The development of curriculum depends largely on 3 fields, that is philosophical, sociological, and psychological. In philosophical determinants of curriculum, philosophical is a powerful determinant factor of aims of education, but is also equally a strong deciding factor of contents and methods of education. The characteristics of philosophical determinants: it aims at the all-round development of the individual. It is based on the philosophy of nation. It reflects the ideas and aspirations of the people. It initiates the desired ideas of life in the youngsters. It helps in the development of proper philosophy of life. It is in accordance with the aspiration level of the individual. It enables the learners to learn the describe desirable cultural values, intellectual virtues, social norms, and moral doctrine. It helps develop personal and national character. Principles of philosophical determinants are child-centered philosophy, need-centered philosophy, and activity-centered philosophy. The child-centered philosophy is: in the child-centered curriculum, the child is the center of the educative process. All the program is according to the child. The curriculum, the methods of teaching, and the whole of school environment become the child-centered and the child-oriented. Need-centered means the principle of need-centered of curriculum gives the recognition of the interest of children in the process of education. It is emphasized the importance of building the curriculum around the needs of the children. Activity centered education to be important by means of educational activities and experiences organized by the pupils themselves, which demand the active participation of the students. Under these principles, subjects are to be studied as branches knowledge but as a creative and activizing activities. Sociological, the second one is the sociological determinant. The sociological approach to education demands that we should bear in mind the needs, requirements, imperatives, and aspirations of community for which the curriculum is being prepared. Schools are the social institutions specially set up for the transmission of the culture by society. Sociological considerations that guides the curriculum development of core values and needs of Indian society, changing values of people, demands of modernization, good family life, way of life, faith, belief, and attitude of people, cooperation. Media explosion, population explosion, regional and national imbalance, economic efficiency, education for fellowship and leadership, creative and purposeful activities, knowledge, attitude, beliefs. Principles of sociological determinants: integratedness, life centeredness, social and utilitarianism. Integratedness: all knowledge is considered as unitary. Under the principle of social determinants, the first one is the integratedness. All knowledge is considered as unitary. Subject matter boundaries are artificial boundaries created for the convenience of linear learning, that is, the learning in parts. In the second sociological principle is the life-centeredness. Education is of life, for life, and by life. Life-centered or community-centered curriculum reveal nothing but the socialized curriculum. It enables the students to become socially efficient, economically sufficient, and intellectually alert, physically fit, professionally proficient, and culturally competent person. The socialized curriculum views education as the investment on human resources, which will be duly capitalized for development of natural resources in the long run. The third principle of sociological determinant is social utilitarianism. All education is considered to have transparent membership, good citizenship. The curriculum provided in the educational institutions will have greater positive transference when there is a identity of learning and life situations. The third one is the psychological determinants of curriculum. The knowledge of the nature of the learner and learning process and the condition facilitating optimum learning. Knowledge of the growth and development. Intelligence development capacities. Curriculum to be child-centered. Learning experiences should be provided in accordance with the mental development of the learner. Interest of the learner. These are the three important determinants of curriculum. The other determinants are scientific determinant, political determinant, environmental determinant, historical determinant. The scientific determinant: to achieve complete development of an individual and to prepare for complete living, that is human activities in five categories: self preservation, self protection, social and political protection, proper utilization of leisure time, promote human pregnancy and its protection. These are the other determinants, which are scientific determinants, political determinants, environmental determinants, and historical determinants.